Hey CIPD learners! In this video, we're going to break down 5CO03 AC 1.1. Understand the value and purpose of people profession. Let's explore the role, the behaviors, key activities, and the value this profession brings to organizations. So, what does it actually mean to be a people professional? It's all about making a positive difference, aligning people's strategies with business goals, supporting individuals, and helping organizations thrive. People professionals are change enablers. They create workplaces where people feel supported, valued, and motivated. Let's explore 2 professional activities from the CIPD Profession Map. First is employee relations, which means managing workplace relationships, handling conflict, and creating a healthy and respectful environment. Second is talent management, which focuses on attracting, nurturing, and retaining the right people to fuel business success. Now, let's discuss 2 core professional behavior. First, fairness, treating everyone equally without bias and ensuring inclusive practices. Second, ethical practice, making transparent, principled decisions that build trust across the organization. These behaviors form the foundation of professional credibility. But why people professionals are so valuable? People professionals aren't just supporting the business, they help shape it. They ensure strategic alignment, drive employee well-being and engagement, and create cultures where people want to stay and grow. In a fast-changing world, they bring stability, clarity, and compassion. So, that's a wrap-up for today. Hit like, subscribe. See you in the next video.